Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecelia O, and my YouTube channel is Cecelia O's World. If you're new to this YouTube channel, I discuss a lot about healthy meal, how to make healthy drink, how to lose weight, how to do home decoration and budget. I discuss a lot about beauty hack, how to make body wash, how to make body cream, how to make serum, and also I talk about life hack, how to save money. And for today's video, I'll be talking about healthy vegetable diet. I'll be talking about how to make carrot, mac and cheese. Yay! So if you're new to this YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button. I'm talking about how to make carrot, macaroni and cheese today. And this recipe, I promise you that your children, you're gonna love it. Even your loved ones, you're gonna love it. To make this wonderful recipe, I will be using a couple of ingredients. I have carrots, I have the macaroni, I have the cheese, I have a cup of milk. I'm using 2% milk. I have margarine in here. I have my spice. I have curry, salt, red pepper, seasoning. So I'll be adding all this. And I'll be garnishing this with celery and some other vegetables. Let's dive in. Please click on the subscribe button, like and share this video. Let's dive in. So the next thing I'll be doing now, I have a cup of water boiling already. I'm going to parboil the macaroni. So what I will be doing now is I'll be adding the macaroni, and keep in mind the quantity of the vegetable, carrots, macaroni and cheese that you're making. It depends on the quantity of people that will be eating it, and this should actually be conveniently served to 6 people, minimum of 5 people. So I'll be adding the macaroni into the boiling water, and I'll let this boil for a while. So I'm just adding this just to let this parboil the macaroni, because I'll be cooking the macaroni with the carrots. I'm just using this to parboil it. And you can add a pinch of salt, and also you can add little oil, but I'll just keep an eye on this. So I'm still making the vegetable diet, which is carrot, mac and cheese. And in this blender, I have the puree, carrot blended with water. And I have the parboiled macaroni. So I'll just put it back in the pot, the parboiled macaroni. And now the next thing I'm gonna do is to add the carrots. I'm just going to add the carrots. So I'm going to add the puree, the carrots puree. And the next thing I'll be adding the seasoning. I have curry here, I have salt, I have red pepper, and I have seasoning. I'll finish up the seasoning. So I will be adding the cheese. And I'll add a cup of milk. Put the fire back on. And I'm gonna boil this. I'll add water. So this is still cooking, and the carrot mac and cheese is still cooking. I'll let this cook for like 5 minutes and it will be done already. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World, and don't forget to share, like this video. I love you all. Thank you. So here is the vegetable diet, the carrot mac and cheese, and I garnish this with celery. This diet is actually good if you want to lose weight and you still want to have some vegetables while eating your mac and cheese. Please try this wonderful recipe. Share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.